We got a whole family of woodpeckers living at the top of this tree. Not a single one of them's laughing. See, they're at the top of the tree, and I'll do a slow zoom. Pretty cool. Oh, there it goes. And there's another one right behind it. Oh. Let them know. Oh, it looks like they're calling over to this other tree over here. And there's some other woodpeckers up at the top of that tree as well. Can't see them, but I know they're there. I can hear them. But this tree is the favorite tree. Nice.